Hi, I'm Reid, the principal of Lacombe Outreach in Lacombe, Alberta. Lacombe Outreach School is a school for grade 10 through 12. We service students who generally don't have a successful time in the traditional setting for many different reasons. They come on flexible attendance, flexible pacing. We also do upgrading, so students who've graduated already and but need some course for college entrance or university entrance. And that's what we do here. Hāpara has enabled us to kind of follow what our credo is here about allowing flexibility in attendance and flexibility in pacing. Because Hāpara allows you to go in and out, access lessons, videos, different pieces of the curriculum at any time. Our students who come and go because they're on their own contract as far as attendance goes, allows them to access it at any time. So we see that the ability to jump in and out of the workspace has been really beneficial for whatever level the student is working on, whether it's grade 10 English or grade 12 Math 30-1. There are two things in particular that I really like about the Hāpara workspace. The first is the way it's set up in the different columns, especially the two columns that are your resources, which include any articles, your videos, lessons that the teachers created. All that is really accessible. And right next to it is where the assignments would be. So the students can see right away what they're going to use to answer the assignments, and then the assignments are right there. The assignment piece is in fact my favorite, because when they completed the assignment, they would just hit submit, and then I can access that right away and see that they have submitted, or that they might be behind, or that they still need to do some work in that. And it's very easy to use. You just click on it and you can see exactly where the student is at any given point. And I really appreciate that piece about the assignment. So do the students, because they're not losing paper. It's right there. There's no, my dog ate it. One of the things about an outreach school is that it's different from a traditional setting, is that we offer a student's pacing. They set their pace. What Hāpara does is allow them to access the lessons and the assignments in the time that they need. We often have students who take more than what it would take in a traditional setting to accomplish their goals of graduation. And so Hāpara Workspace allows them to have that flexibility to use the pacing and accessing the Hāpara Workspace itself at any time that they choose. And so it's really been a benefit to our students who use the workspace to do that. If I'm talking with an educator who hasn't used Hāpara Workspace before, one of the things that I would say it allows them to have, which they might not have, is that flexibility for a different type of option of delivery to teach certain courses and to students. In a classroom setting with 30 students, you just have a teacher, and sometimes it's difficult to fill positions in that way. But if you have the flexibility of Hāpara Workspace, where a teacher can be from any place and be supporting that course using the Hāpara Workspace, that gives you that, like I said earlier, the option and flexibility that you might not have otherwise. One of the other things I'd like to tell educators if you've never used Hāpara Workspace is about the ease of use. I've been an educator and a student way back to the days when the Cassetner was around, and so I've had to adapt to many different technological pieces that come through education. And what I found is with Hāpara Workspace is that it is very easy to learn how to use. Within, I would say, 4 to 8 hours, you become very proficient in using the platform.